Magical Herbal Remedies, harnessing the power of nature for health and wellness. Hi there and welcome to my channel. Harnessing the power of nature for health and wellness. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating world of herbal remedies, where the bounties of nature come together to support our well-being. From ancient traditions to modern-day practices, discover how herbs can provide holistic healing and promote a healthier lifestyle. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. Number 1. Introduction to Herbal Remedies. Throughout human history, herbal remedies have held a significant role, embraced by diverse cultures across the globe for countless centuries. These remarkable gifts from nature are revered for their distinct properties, which contribute to the restoration of harmony and well-being within the body, mind, and spirit. As an integral part of traditional healing practices, herbal remedies have proven their efficacy in alleviating various ailments and fostering overall health. With their time-tested wisdom, they continue to be cherished as natural wonders that offer profound support in the journey towards balance and vitality. From ancient civilizations to modern societies, the enduring use of these remedies serves as a testament to the enduring power of nature and the enduring relationship between humans and the plant kingdom. Number 2. The power of herbal medicine. Herbal medicine taps into the innate healing power of plants, offering a diverse array of remedies for various health concerns. These natural wonders have the ability to address common ailments such as colds, digestive issues, and anxiety, showcasing their remarkable potency in promoting well-being. Whether used in teas, tinctures, or capsules, their efficacy is undeniable. Moreover, herbal medicine goes beyond merely alleviating symptoms, as it also supports long-term wellness and boosts immunity, providing a holistic approach to health. With centuries of traditional knowledge and modern scientific validation, these herbs continue to demonstrate their ability to heal and nourish the human body, making them an essential part of humanity's journey towards optimal health and vitality. Number 3. Ancient wisdom meets modern science. Herbal remedies, rooted in ancient wisdom and traditional practices, have gained recognition in modern science for their therapeutic potential. As researchers delve deeper into the world of botanicals, they are uncovering valuable insights into the bioactive compounds present in herbs and how they function within the body. Through rigorous scientific investigation, the healing properties of these plants are being confirmed and expanded upon, shedding light on their mechanisms of action. This convergence of ancient knowledge and contemporary research has led to a deeper understanding of the medicinal benefits of herbal remedies. As a result, these natural treasures are finding their way into mainstream healthcare, offering promising avenues for the development of new treatments and complementing conventional medicine with the wisdom of nature. Number 4. Common magical herbs. Magical herbs offer a treasure trove of therapeutic properties that have been embraced for generations. Among the most common are lavender, renowned for its calming effects, and chamomile, celebrated for its soothing properties. These two herbs are often used to alleviate stress, anxiety, and promote restful sleep. Additionally, ginger, with its digestive enhancing qualities, aids in relieving indigestion and bloating. Meanwhile, turmeric's immune-boosting prowess supports overall well-being and helps combat inflammation. The accessibility of these herbs allows for easy integration into daily routines, whether as ingredients in cooking, brewed as teas, or used in essential oil form. Harnessing the power of these magical herbs offers a natural and holistic approach to wellness, enabling us to tap into the bountiful healing potential that nature has graciously bestowed upon us. Number 5. Herbal remedies for everyday ailments. Magical herbs like lavender, chamomile, and ginger can be powerful allies in alleviating everyday ailments without the need for conventional medications. Lavender's calming and aromatic properties can help ease headaches and reduce stress when used in aromatherapy or applied topically as an essential oil. Chamomile, known for its soothing effects, can be consumed as a tea to promote relaxation and combat stress-related tension. Additionally, chamomile's mild sedative properties can aid in improving sleep disturbances, fostering a more restful slumber. Ginger's digestive enhancing qualities can provide relief from stress-induced digestive issues such as upset stomachs. Moreover, its anti-inflammatory properties may also contribute to alleviating headaches. By incorporating these gentle yet effective herbs into our daily routines, we can embrace a natural and holistic approach to managing common ailments, fostering overall well-being in harmony with the healing power of nature. Number 6. Preparing herbal remedies. Discovering the art of preparing herbal remedies at home can be truly empowering. With our guidance, you'll learn how to create herbal infusions, tinctures, and salves, making the incorporation of these natural wonders into your daily life effortless. Herbal infusions involve steeping herbs in hot water, allowing you to craft nourishing teas that provide various health benefits. Tinctures, on the other hand, involve extracting the potent properties of herbs using alcohol or glycerin, offering concentrated and convenient herbal solutions. Lastly, salves combine herbs with carrier oils and beeswax, providing soothing and healing balms for topical use. Learning these techniques empowers you to take charge of your well-being and explore the magic of herbal medicine firsthand, fostering a deeper connection with nature and your own health journey. Number 7. The art of herbal blending. The art of herbal blending is a skill that herbalists master to harness the full potential of nature's healing bounty. By combining different herbs, they create potent synergies that target specific health needs, amplifying the overall effectiveness of herbal remedies. Each herb possesses its unique set of bioactive compounds, and when harmoniously blended, they can complement and enhance each other's properties. Herbalists consider the therapeutic properties of individual herbs, taking into account their actions on various body systems, to craft blends that address specific health concerns. For instance, combining calming herbs like chamomile and passionflower can create a soothing blend to alleviate anxiety and promote relaxation. On the other hand, a blend of immune-boosting herbs like echinacea and elderberry may be formulated to support the body's defenses during cold and flu season. Herbal blending is both an art and a science, requiring a deep understanding of botanicals, their interactions, and the nuances of each person's unique constitution. As one delves into this practice, they gain the ability to customize remedies tailored to individual needs, offering a personalized and holistic approach to well-being that embraces the wisdom of nature. With the power of herbal synergy, the potential for supporting health and vitality becomes boundless, enriching the journey towards a balanced and nourished life. Number 8. Embracing herbal remedies in daily life. Embracing herbal remedies goes far beyond their traditional medicinal applications, extending into various aspects of daily life to enhance holistic well-being. One such avenue is culinary exploration, where herbs infuse dishes with delightful flavors and added health benefits. Incorporating aromatic herbs like basil, thyme, and rosemary into cooking not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also offers a wealth of phytonutrients and antioxidants that support overall health. Beyond the kitchen, herbs find a place in skincare routines as well, where their natural properties contribute to nourishing and revitalizing the skin. For example, aloe vera soothes and hydrates, while lavender calms and rejuvenates. Herbal infused oils or salves, prepared at home, can become an integral part of self-care, promoting radiant and glowing skin. Furthermore, aromatherapy introduces the therapeutic influence of herbs on emotional well-being. Inhaling essential oils from herbs like eucalyptus for respiratory support or chamomile for relaxation can positively impact mood and stress levels. Creating herbal sachets or using herbal diffusers fills living spaces with fragrant scents that uplift and restore. By embracing herbs beyond their medicinal roles and integrating them into cooking, skincare, and aromatherapy, individuals can weave a tapestry of holistic health that celebrates the profound connection between humans and the natural world. This multifaceted approach deepens one's appreciation for the magic of herbs, infusing daily life with a sense of balance, harmony, and well-being. As we conclude our journey through the realm of magical herbal remedies, remember that the power of nature is within your grasp. By tapping into the natural wonders that surround us, we can unlock a path to better health and overall wellness. Embrace the magic of herbs and embark on a fulfilling journey towards a healthier, harmonious life. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of magical herbal remedies. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Stay connected with nature, and may your path be filled with abundant well-being.